Hi, I'm Ansi. Welcome to my channel and my balcony gardening. I want to encourage you to start gardening. And of course, anybody can be a gardener. Chickpeas can be grown from the peas you get from the grocery store. You need to soak and sprout it for easy germination. There are different types of chickpeas. I have two varieties in my kitchen, brown and white. I'm growing both of them. 12 hours of soaking is the best. Then drain the water roughly and place it in a dark spot inside any type of container. In a couple of days you will see the sprouts. It depends upon the room temperature. If you are in a warmer climate, you can directly plant in your garden or your preferred soil in a container. As I live in a colder climate, I prefer to germinate them inside the house. I use this thermocol container, which is originally an ice cream container. I reuse everything possible to reduce the garbage. As a minimalist, sometimes it's very hard to process a lot of things. The roots of the chickpeas grows very fast. Chickpea sprouts are very nutritious. You can eat them. I like planting my plants very close to each other, even though it's not recommended. I have only a small space, and this plastic crate I got from the garbage. My chickpea plant is few weeks old now. The chickpea leaves are super beautiful. The leaves, pea shoots, and the flowers are edible. If you are patient enough, you can wait for the seeds. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please subscribe and leave me a thumbs up. Happy gardening!